for this set of problems, we're going to be solving proportions. A common strategy to start is to cross multiply. So you know you have a proportion when you have a fraction equal to another fraction. And I'm going to start by multiplying diagonally across the equal sign. When I multiply 9 times 2, I get 18 equals x times 10, which would be 10x. Now I want to get x alone, so I'm going to divide both sides by 10. Now 10 does not divide evenly into 18, but we can simplify the fraction 18 over 10 by reducing by 2. So 18 divided by 2 would give me a 9, and 10 divided by 2 would give me a 5. So my final answer would be x equals 9/5. Another example of solving a proportion is 8 divided by x minus 5 equals 4. Remember, I said before that a proportion is typically when you have a fraction equal to another fraction. But if you look at this example, we don't have a fraction on the right-hand side. Remember, you can always take any whole number and make it a fraction by placing it over 1. Now that I have a fraction equal to another fraction, I can cross multiply. Be careful when you're cross multiplying 4 times x minus 5, because we're going to have to use the distributive property, which we did not have to use in the previous example. On the right hand side though, this is just a simple multiplication. 8 times 1 gives me 8. When I distribute here, that's going to give me 4x minus 20 equals 8. And then I need to solve this equation to solve for x. I need to do the opposite of subtracting 20, so I'm going to add 20 to both sides. So I'm left with 4x equals 28. And now to finish solving for x, I'm going to divide by 4. And my final answer is x equals 7.